Tuklok deh. Ini yang defense.
So, good morning everyone, especially to our...
Good evening.
Good evening everyone, especially to our business na siya.
Ano gini? Gini nih. Welcome to the vlog. Last lang nga defense ron. Mga pulusay nih, mga kauban ko nih pulusay ron. Mga pulusay in the house nih. Pulusay in the house. Di ba si Pikas? Oh, Filipino nila, Filipino. Filipino nila, Filipino. Oh, say it hi, hi. Lagi good. Wait, kuan niyo ba karang iyo mo ning imran siguro souvenir. Una bitaw dili oh. Okay ra ba dia? Oni lugar diri daw nagharang ang pulsa last ni kuan nila. Bijil, bijil vince. Excuse me sa. Agis ako. Agis ako.
Necessary, therefore, to know whether the levy species owners and operators implemented the said executive order to be able to arrive into resolve from the respondent's perception, concurrent nested mix method issues, and researchers gather data through a modified questionnaire as well as personal interview. It has been shown in the next presentation that the majority of the respondents' big challenges in the time of pandemic is the loss of borders due to the face-to-face classes. Hence, due to the loss of borders, the respondents can easily maintain and follow the guidelines because of the least number of borders they had. Based on the findings obtained from the gathered, analyzed, and interpreted data, the following health-related guidelines for the living species are implemented by the respondents.